Hello everyone, this is Kevin from K&G Machinery. As an OEM manufacturer, we're doing hose coupling and brass ball valve for 30 years. This is all our products. This is the can and groove coupling with all the material, brass, stainless steel, polypropylene, nylon and aluminum. And for the aluminum we have reducers to also flange with the hose. And we have, this is the screws, lemming, also with the tank wagon, with the brass and stainless steel, these two. And we also provide king nipple and the mender for all the hose clamps and the whip chaps. All the gaskets. This is the brass ball valve, PP ball valve, gate valve, check valve. Okay, if you have anything in these, please contact me. Thank you for watching. Thank you.